For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video from Filmy Mantra.
Because I mean, from my point of view, the directors will release the trailer, right? And I think many of these directors haven't met each other for a long time, right? So this is a photograph worth having anyway, for whether it's my film or not. These are some of the most, there's Ketan. I became a filmmaker because I saw Bhavni Bhavai, right? And this is not a joke, and this is not a lie. There is Satish Kaushik. Once upon a time, Satish and I were going to become a writing team together. Satish, Sudhir, like Salim Javed, and then we thought it wasn't such a good idea, and we all became filmmakers. But there's Satish. Pankaj always thought he's a better filmmaker, so she's still trying to figure out whether who is the better one. But maybe we'll let history decide. Kunal is a brother, a friend, a filmmaker. Kunal was the assistant editor on one long time ago when I'm making of my first series called Chapte Chapte. And Kunal was there, right? And Plus Channel and all of us.
Sudhir wrote the pilot of Karamchand.
That's right. Yeah, I did. So here's my guru, Saeed Mirza. Anubhav, my younger brother. Ashwini Chaudhary. Avinash Das, a new entrant, but you'll hear a lot about him. There's Ajay Bahel. There's Mudassar. Happy Bhag Jayegi. There's Umesh Shukla here. He's just doing the impossible, bringing back Amitabh Bachchan and Rishi Kapoor together in 102 Not Out. Right? Rahul Saab, one of our gurus, people we admired. Arjun, Dakat, Betab, Ashok, my brother, filmmaker, does so much for directors overall. Ruchi used to be my assistant, made a film called Kal, made Hanuman 3, and here is the star of the occasion, Victor, whom we were all waiting for. And what I'll do is I will give you all the DVDs, but before, Nikhil Advani, oh shit, and oh shit, he'll never forgive me. He's one assistant who's just scream at me, so it was the reverse. So there's Nikhil. Do I need to tell you about Patiala House?
No, don't.
Kal Ho Na Ho. Yesterday, Sonu, in some function of Shivratri, was singing Kal Ho Na Ho. I don't know why, but it sounded beautiful, And there's Vishal, whom you all know. I mean, Vishal, who's such a brilliant filmmaker, amazing. Long years ago, I was doing Israt Ki Subah Nahi, and Vishal didn't do the music. I wish I'd taken him then, I would have had a relationship with him much more. But anyway, we are brothers, and such fantastic film. Gattu is here, an amazing filmmaker, and he's on to his next. Everybody, huh? What do you think? Nothing. Kedarnath. No, we can kid around with each other. We don't have to get so serious. I don't know whether I make good films or not, but these guys think so, So that's it. And we, all these, and I'd like to acknowledge my producer, Sanjeev Kumar here. So Sanjeev, because of this, he made, and my co-producer, Gaurav Sharma, I don't know where he is. Right. Working hard somewhere. Right. So, let me now call all the actors up on stage. Right, in no particular order. Since I'm going from Richa, please come on stage. That's Richa, she plays Paro. Right. There's Rahul Bhatt, who plays Dev. And there's Aditi Rao Hedri, who plays Chandni or Chandramukhi, and there's Dilip here. I don't know whether Vipin. Saurabh plays a very important part, like in all my films. There's Vineet Singh there, and the Vipin Sharma. There's Dilip, and there's a guy called Anil George. And that's the cast. And I'd just kind of like to bring the DVDs on stage so that, it's kind of like an unveiling by the directors, because I'd like, So please give the DVDs to each one of them.
I don't think it's a coincidence that on Valentine's Day, we are all here for Sudhir. It just shows how much we love him.
So that's kind of whatever that means, I mean, we'll figure this out later, Kunal, between us.
May I also request Mr. Saurav Sharma to kindly come on stage, who's flown all the way from Bangalore.
Saurabh is the Goldie Films. Oh well, where he is. The film will not reach the theatres without him. Ajay ji, kya haal hai? Huzur. There's Orko Mukherjee there. Please stand up. Orko has done one of the songs, you know. So, I mean, we've got wonderful music in the film. Huh? There's, you know, Atif has sung one song. Orko has done another. You know, Swanand Kirkire, my brother, has sung one song. And Rekha ji has sung one song. So which Sandesh has composed. So we have a really amazing kind of music, right? So if, without further ado, we'll just kind of raise the DVDs once and that's the release. Thank you. Does anybody want to say anything? I mean, I'll start from Vishal. Please say a few words.
Yeah, I am very happy to see the title, you know, Dasdev is a very creative title. And I'm very intrigued to see now. So what have you done after D?
Thank you so much. जल्दी फिल्म देखते हैं उस दिन मतलब कुछ करना नहीं होगा और अगर आपको अच्छी नहीं लगे तो उस दिन आप जोक मनाए बोल सकते हैं. Here's Ketan.
Well, Sudhir is a brother, and I've seen the film, at least the rushes of the film.
Hello.
They're looking really, really wonderful. So I'm really looking forward to the film.
I want to wish you, Sudhir, all the very best. I think you're very inspiring. Your spirit is very inspiring. And I'm sure that this movie is going to be fantastic. All my love.
मेरा भाई.
मेरा भाई पिक्चर का टाइटल है.
पीछे क्यों छुपा हुआ है?
नहीं मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. What can I say about you, Sudhir? Everything I've learned is from you, and so I mean I'm not blaming you, but but yeah, when I was to be working with you, yeah. But I mean anyway, so it's a huge pleasure to be over here. It's a huge pleasure to be over here. Most of the people over here are directors and luminaries who we have Ruchi, myself, grew up listening to, meeting thanks to you, and learning from them also. So we are here once again to learn from this film. I hope you've done a good job, Sudhir.
The teacher becomes, the student becomes the teacher, you know, I mean. So, I mean, that also happens. 1 second.
I actually, Sudhir forgot to tell the name of the film which we were writing together. It was called Jagannath. So then after the title was taken away by Shatrughan Sinha ji, we dropped the script also, you know, because we were too attached to the title. We thought the title is gone, so we will not write the script. Anyway, Sudhir, best of luck. You have been a path-breaking filmmaker right from the beginning. And we have started our career together. He was assistant to Vinod Chopra, I was assistant to Shekhar Kapoor. And we were, I think, the highest paid and the most sought after assistant directors. You remember, you know, that these two guys will not move without us, you know. So it's a great day. And Sudhir, I congratulate you for making another film which is going to really give your stamp to the filmmaking. Great, thank you very much.
Sudhir, all the best to you. It doesn't matter who's a better filmmaker, as long as we keep on making movies. And I'm sure it'll be a great movie. And thanks for that Karamchand pilot. It made my life.
The Guru.
I'm just so happy to be here, and all the best, Sudhir. And I like the title, Dasdev. I would like to know your take on, with this kind of title, I'd like to know the film. Bye.
Sudhir, we were all called here to see the promo, and accepting that other things are happening. So don't you think it's time we saw the promo?
This is typical Rahul Ravel, you know. You know, I mean, you get as much what you get.
Lovely to be here. I've seen the film, I've seen the trailer. Can't wait for you to see it. जल्दी दिखाओ ना हम लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं.
बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं मेरी तरफ से भी. Well, it's just a very emotional moment as an assistant, as a Sudhir Mishra assistant, to stand here on stage with a lot of seniors, people whose work I really respect. And the feeling before a Sudhir Mishra film, what next, is just, you know, something that you can't avoid, because he's younger than any young filmmaker, at least to me. And he's been a guru, a brother, a father many times. So I'm very privileged to be here. Thank you. All the best to you, sir. Love you very much.
Sudhir, all the best, and we are all looking forward to it. You always make very brave choices, and it's very inspiring for all filmmakers, actually.
Congratulations, sir. I mean, आप लोगों के साथ खड़े रहना वही बड़ी बात है. आपने यहाँ बुलाया. I'm privileged, and I'm really looking forward to see your trailer. Thank you very much.
सबने सब कह दिया सुधीर. नहीं. No, actually, in this whole company, I think the one person that we'll all be missing is Kundan. Yeah. So, and I think he would have. अरे क्या सुधीर तू फिर से ऐसा कुछ टाइटल ले लिया यार तूने. But fantastic.
कुंदन would have said कि ठीक से पिक्चर बनाया ना यार तूने. हाँ ऐसा ऐसी तैसी मत करना मैं. तो फिर वो तू गड़बड़ कर देता है एंड में जाके कहीं पे. He just said, you know, God bless him somewhere.
Sudhir, I've been his assistant and learnt a lot from him. He has been a pillar to all of us, the directors' fraternity, and today, not only on behalf of me, but on behalf of IFTDA, the Director Association, we have called all the directors here. It's a very rare moment. All the best to your film, and we know that film is going to be a box office hit, for sure. All the best to you.
Thank you. Now we'll now see the trailer, and Sanjeev just wants to say a few words.
Nothing from the production side. I'll have to take 2-3 names. I have to thank Mr. Manohar Kanungo, one of my co-producers. My associate, नहीं आ नहीं पाए उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. My associate producers Kshitij and Shalini. My chief executive producer Anil Patil. And finally, इस फिल्म को एक सीमा के बाद आगे बढ़ाने और आपके पास लाने के लिए गौरव शर्मा जी.
गौरव.
सौरभ जी.
सौरभ.
Many thanks to Saptarishi Cinevision team, Storm Pictures, and our elder brother, our guru.
And to my cameraman, Sachin Krish, to my editor, Archit Rastogi, to the mixing people, to all the music directors, to all the singers, to Orko, to Sandesh, to Vipin Patwa, to Samir Tandon, to Anupama Rag, all of you. Please come and see the trailer. Thank you so much for everybody.
Now we will see the trailer, and then a star comes on the stage for media interaction with the Sudhir sir.
So we are all going to be starting the trailer now with bated breath. Thank you, Sudhir sir, for giving us the opportunity. The trailer is ready to go now.
Thank you so much.
That announcement has to be made.
Cameras off, please. You cannot be rolling when the trailer is on. Please switch off.